Hey, it's Tom. I'm back, I think. I got good news and bad news on this Retekess TR113. The good news is I got it working now. I suspected I had done something wrong when I was playing around with all the options because I was really struggling. I didn't understand a lot of the options and I was making mistakes. So I got to thinking maybe the reason it's not receiving even on the built-in antenna is because I've messed up something when I was playing around with the options. So I went and found the option to do a factory reset. And what I did is I first changed the display color. I changed it to blue so that I would think a factory reset would change it back to what it was originally, which was green. I did that, it came back to green, everything was reset. I then did, I'm upstairs in my office now, I then did a scan of the shortwave band. And it found, and I'll explain further, found 171 signals using the built-in telescopic antenna in my office. Now, two things. In my office, there's lots of noise, lots of equipment running, computers, routers, everything. So that's a bad environment. Number two, as I showed you in the previous video, the A index, the solar A index is way high, 119, I think it was. 19. We want it to be less than 5, like 2 or 3. So lots of noise. So I'm not surprised that it found that many signals because there's so much noise. It actually didn't find any stations, which that doesn't surprise me because I'm using the built antenna for shortwave, which is normally not that good. I have done a scan on shortwave on this radio in my other room, which doesn't have so much electronics, and it found about 7 shortwave stations. So it can receive shortwave stations. So the good news is I screwed up. The bad news is I screwed up. When I was playing with all the options, I did something wrong and it was not using the antennas properly, especially the built-in antenna. That is now fixed. So what I can do is I'm going to wait until that solar A index is down where it should be, like 5 or less. Then I'll do a scan using the built-in antenna, and I will go in my other room, which this is on the 2nd story, so I get the advantage of the height, and do a scan and see how we do. Because like I say, when I first got the radio, that's what I did. And I got like 7 actual stations loud and clear. So I know I can do it. All right. Thanks for watching. Sorry for my screw ups. Have a great day. Bye-bye.